In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Spotify in Discord voice channel. We will use the official Spotify listen along feature so everyone hears the same music in sync. First, open Discord on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to use. On the main Discord window, you should see your servers on the left and your username at the bottom. If Discord is still loading, wait until everything appears and the green connected bar is gone. Once Discord is open, go down to user settings next to your name. Click the small gear icon. The settings window opens and you will see a list of sections on the left side, starting with My Account and then things like Privacy and Authorized Apps. You are looking for the area that manages external accounts. From there, click the Connections section in the left sidebar. The main panel now changes and you should see icons for different services such as Twitch, YouTube, and others. This is where Discord links to outside accounts so your status can show what you are doing on those platforms. Next, select the Spotify icon from the list of connections. A new window opens in your browser or inside Discord, showing the Spotify login page. If nothing appears, check behind other windows because login prompts sometimes open in the background. You need this step so Discord can see what you are playing on Spotify. Now sign into your Spotify account and authorize the connection. Type your Spotify email and password, then confirm any prompt that asks if you allow Discord to access Spotify. When it works, you are taken back to the Discord connections page, and you should now see your Spotify account listed there with a green logo. With the accounts linked, open the Spotify app on your device and start playing a song. Pick any track from a playlist or album and press play. You should see the track progress bar moving and hear the music on your device. At this point, Spotify is telling Discord what you are listening to in real time, so the track title can appear on your Discord profile. After your music is playing, go back into Discord and open a text channel or a direct message chat. You can use any text channel on a server where you can send messages. You should see the message box at the bottom where you normally type chat messages. Now click the plus button in the message box. It is usually on the left side of the typing area. The small menu that appears shows different actions you can take, such as adding attachments or other context tools. One of those options is used to share your current Spotify listening session. Next up, select the option to invite friends to listen. When you click it, Discord creates a listen-along invitation based on the song that is currently playing in Spotify. You will see a preview of the track name and your profile picture in the message area before you send it. Then send the invitation into the text channel or direct message. As soon as it is posted, it appears as a rich card with a join button. Anyone who can see that message and meets the requirements can click join. Your friends can now click join to listen along with you. Their Spotify app opens and starts playing the same track in sync with your session. One detail that surprises beginners is that they can change their own volume without affecting yours. Also, Spotify Premium is required for the official listen-along feature, so free accounts will see an error instead of joining. You have now linked Spotify to Discord and started a listen-along session so friends can hear the same music together. If this helped you sync Spotify with your Discord sessions, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Discord tips.